My name is Praveen Kumar, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a basic iOS app using storyboards. First thing, open Xcode and start a project by clicking on create a new Xcode project. Next, open single view application and give a name to it. And here I'm giving my first app, and you can give your language as Objective-C and press next and then create it. So now you have view control.m .h and view control.m, these two files which will be added to your storyboard. Go to your storyboard and you can see the now you have a storyboard, and this screen is the first screen which will be shown when app is loaded into your mobile. So now you just have only one screen right now, but when you start doing your app you may get a few more other screens when you start building your app. So now let's do building this first screen. Let's add a label to it. Drag and drop your label onto the screen. So now you have these size inspector, attributes inspector, identity inspector, and other what do you call this? This is a file inspector, fine. So now go to the identity inspector and you can give your text here, say good day. You can use your different colors, change your font here by increasing the size and by setting it to the center of the screen. Give it middle and then done. This is the text that will go on display when your screen is open. Now let's run it using a simulator iPhone 7. So if you want to run it on a device, you can just directly connect your iPhone to it and then clicking on it, and you'll be getting a device connected here, and just by clicking it you can run it on your device. Now let's add a button to it. When clicking on button, drag and drop a button onto the screen. The same way, let's give the name, click here. So now by clicking this button, let's change the text to some other thing. So now first thing, when you click here, the code should change the text of the label to a different text. So now click on this assistant editor. By clicking on the label and by pressing Ctrl, drag onto the view control.m and name it as, let's label it as label, and by doing it on same thing on button, clicking on Ctrl and dragging it onto the view control.m, give it a name, button click. So now we have a property of UI label named as label and action of button named as button clicked. So close this assistant editor, click on close, then go to view control.m. So now our main aim is to change the name of the label when button is clicked. So we are just going to give an action here. So once we click on button, label should be changed to self.label dot text equal to, change it to hello world. So now once we click on the button, text will be changing to hello world. So now let's run and see it. So now once we change, yes, our text has been changed to hello world when once we click this button. So go back to storyboard. You can see this simulator. You can even make it a center by clicking these two and then dragging and dropping onto the center of the screen. And you can add more constraints such that they may remain at the particular position on the screen. You can see it in the coming videos. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.